First you install the hydraulic tool on the membrane module. And then you connect the hydraulic pump. Then you pump. You tighten the screw here and then you pump until a certain pressure is reached. So you can loosen these nuts by hand. Then you take away this device. Then you loosen the pressure. Release the hydraulic tool. Pull back the flange. Disconnect the permeate hoses. Remove the support plate with the defect membranes. Remove the lock rings.
The guy one also.
So, and then we should install new membranes. And then there is, on one side here, there is a small rill here, you can feel here. And on this side, we should use the passage ring, looking like this. So, we install the membrane and there's a smooth surface and there's a back side of the membrane. The smooth surface should be pointing up, and this was on the rail side, so we used the passage ring with the rails. Turn the plate. Next membrane. Still the blank or the smooth side up. And then we use another ring here called a lock ring. You can see it's a smooth ring. Everything should be, there's 4 places, it should be pressed together. These small pins on the rings. Rail side. Passage ring with the rails on the rail side of the plate. Smooth surface up. Turn around. And then the lock rings. Smooth lock rings. So, rail side.
Every second.
Pay attention to the permeate outlet. Every second plate should be in the opposite direction.
And we have a riddle here, glad here.
So a passage ring there and a lock ring there. And look, here it fits as it should be.
Same here. But the last one, you have a reel here also. So on the last plates, we need to remove.
Yeah, just pay attention to that. On the last plate there is this passage ring, but there should be a lock ring because the last plate here is a passage ring with the rails.
Only on the last one.
Yes.
No bends.
Yeah.
No bends.
So.
And here, lock ring. Lock ring. On the back side. And this.
Yeah.
Facet.
Here at the connection. Flange is pushed back. Permeate hose is connected again. Hydraulic tool is tightened. And then it's pumped up to 350 bar. So. Tighten by hand. Release pressure. And then remove the hydraulic tool.